Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to transfer your Chainlink tokens from XMO to Crypto.com in 2025, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but it's always good to double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. By the end of this video, you'll have your Chainlink safely moved over. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need active accounts on both XMO and Crypto.com, with some Chainlink link in your XMO wallet. Also, verify that you're using the correct blockchain network. Chainlink typically runs on Ethereum, so keep that in mind for 2025 updates. Step 1. Log into your XMO account. Head over to the Withdraw or Transfer section. This is usually found in your wallet dashboard. Once there, select Chainlink from the list of cryptocurrencies. Next, you'll need your Crypto.com wallet address. Open your Crypto.com app or website, go to your wallet, and copy the Chainlink deposit address. Double-check this address, it's crucial to get it right to prevent any loss of funds. Back on XMO, paste that address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Chainlink you want to transfer, making sure it's above any minimum limits. Review the transaction details, including fees, which might vary in 2025 based on network congestion. Hit Confirm, and you'll get a confirmation code. Save that. Now, the waiting game. Transfers can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the Ethereum network. Keep an eye on your Crypto.com account for the deposit to show up. If it doesn't, check your XMO transaction history or contact support. A quick tip. Always use the official apps and enable two-factor authentication for security. And remember, crypto prices can fluctuate, so time your transfer wisely. There you have it. That's how you transfer Chainlink from XMO to Crypto.com in 2025. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.